after restarting the computer and connect to the internet, we get the different public IP address. So that is a dynamic IP address. We can say it is a temporary one. Okay. No need, you know how to find out the public IP and private IP. Is there? Public IP address we find, if you don't know, just write down. Public IP address we find out by typing what is my IP in Google. Then private IP, we can find it by IP config. Okay. Okay, so now at the moment you have already copied this one, this, then this one. Okay, so now we are moving to the IP addresses. Now look at this, very important. Briefly explain dotted decimal notation of IP address IPv4. So human convenience, the IP address is written in dotted decimal notation. So as human being, we can understand only, mainly we can, clearly we can understand decimal numbers, not the binary. Therefore, dotted decimal notation is representing for the IP addresses. Then the 32-bit address is divided into 4 groups of 8 bits, an octet or a byte. So there are 32 bits. So each 32 bits is grouped in 4 groups. So 4 groups contain the 8 bits. And with the dot, it is separated. So here we have the 8 bits for one group, then 2 group, 3, 4 altogether, 8 groups, 8 bits, 4 groups are there. Each octet is written as a decimal number range of 0 to 255. So this 8 bits number we call as octet. The smallest value which can hold in this one, we can say the 0. Maximum one means 8 ones. The smallest number is 8 zeros. The largest number is 8 ones. Therefore, we can say 0 to 255. 8 ones mean 255. Is this clear? Okay, so this value we can represent in binary as well as decimal. Okay, the value of this binary number is, we can convert into decimal, then that is 192. Then convert the binary in decimal, 160. Here, 32. Then here, 5. So likewise, you must find the binary decimal value of this one. Convert this value into decimal. You will get 128. Then when you convert into decimal, you will get 143. This one also 137. Then this one 144. Okay. Likewise, you must find the decimal number. As well as you can convert that number into binary also. If you get a question with the binary, decimal number and ask the binary, then you must convert into binary and write it like this. Okay. First we'll copy down these two. Okay, start writing this one. And now you must convert this binary IP address. That means it contains 4 8-bit octets. Okay, so this number you must convert into decimal. So there are 4 octets. So each octet containing 8 bits. Okay, so these 8 octets you must convert into decimal and write the full IP address in decimal notation. And the other one you have, hold on, this one. So this number you must convert into binary. So each decimal value you must convert into 8 bits binary number. So number 3 also 1 1. So even though it is 1 1, write it the 8-bit binary. Okay, so start completing that. Okay, check your answers. See whether you have this answer. So each octet you must convert into decimal. No need the arrowheads. Put the dot between octet. Decimal notation should contain the dot. Okay. Binary one, just normally we use the space. Okay, binaries octet we use the space. Binary numbers අතර space එක විතරක් තියන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ octet එකෙන් මාරු වෙනකොට මේ dot එක එන්නේ decimal numbers අතර විතරයි. හරි? Binary number sets අතර space එක ගන්න. Okay, check the next one answer. Okay. So each number should contain the 8 bits. Each decimal number should contain the 8 bits. Okay.